This video introduces the new meditation feature on the Garmin smartwatch. Through meditation, we can enter a state of focus and tranquility, relieving anxiety. While breathing, we maintain focus, concentration, and connection with our body. Let's get started. Click the button in the upper right corner to access the activity and choose Meditation. Here, in the meditation type you can select free, built-in sessions, or customize your own meditation flow. Selecting free will display only a timer after starting the activity, allowing you to freely concentrate on meditation. Choosing session for various built-in meditation themes. The differences among sessions include time duration, background, title, and sounds.
Begin in a comfortable position and start to relax your mind. Ignore distractions. Focus your full attention solely on this moment.
Select Custom to create your meditation time, theme, and intention. In the custom flow, choose your time plus an image, sounds, or a phrase for your meditation. You can choose one or a combination of all to make it truly custom to you. Furthermore, to modify the language setting for voice prompts, long press the button in the lower right to enter Settings, click Audio Prompts, then scroll to Dialect. You can change the voice system language there, or through the same path in the Garmin Connect app. Now, let the Garmin watch accompany you in meditation. Ensure your watch is updated to the latest software version for the newest features. For more information, please visit support.garmin.com.